Today we're reviewing a very rare smoke alarm, and it's not a P12040. There's something in here, and guess what? Here's the P12040 right here. And it's broken too. I accidentally cut the wires to the horn, and I don't know how that can be accidental. And oh. Look at that. Look at that wiring harness right here. Oh, look at that. Right here. Ooh. What can it be? FIREX. Another FIREX smoke alarm. Yes. FIREX model GC. In fact, if you want to see it right here, you can read the label if you can. The bottom there has some other information. It says interconnected voltage 9 volt DC maximum. And then you got here, look at the logo compared to the older FIREX 1072B, the ones that had a battery backup. It said FIREX smoke alarm, and now it says FIREX smoke alarms. It's raining outside, so you're gonna have to ignore that. 2002 June 24th. And also made by Maple Chase. But yes, we have, and it looks a lot like the FIREX 1072B, except the base is bigger because it needs to fit. And also, the older FIREXs, the FIREX 1072B's mounting bracket actually does fit the GC, but it's not vice versa for this. Let's see. Let me get it real quick. All right. As I say, this is the FIREX 1072B's mounting bracket, and look, it does fit. It just doesn't fit well. So the mounting brackets are interchangeable, except that this one doesn't fit on the 1072Bs. This one fits best on its own smoke alarm. But yes, it's practically the same thing, except that this one has much more holes in it than this one. And this one is less used than this one, because this one always had to get the smoke alarm taken off and put back up. While this one, the smoke detector was practically never on it. So let me put that back up over there. And oh great, that's raining. I think I made that point clear. But it's easy to get mounting bracket in and out with one hand. But yeah, see, 8-inch, and looks kind of like modern day ones. In fact, I have a modern day wiring harness to show, except that took the wires out. As you can see here. They look pretty similar, don't they? And look. Yes, this will fit. No, it won't fit. But this wiring harness will fit on the newer smoke alarms. It just won't fit well. I know I've done this before. There we go, see? There we go. And if these were any longer, they'd be able to fit. It would be able to click in. I just don't know if it's the same. But it fits easily in its own smoke alarm. Well, it's supposed to. but it is a 120 volt AC operated smoke alarm only, and does not use a battery backup. But if you look very closely on the inside, I don't know where it is. I have to use my multi-tool. Where's my multi-tool? Right here. I'll show it to you some other time, but you can actually see, warning, risk of fire. Battery has been removed. It says it somewhere on here, on the inside of this cover. So I guess it gets it from the 12538B, which I'll be doing a review hopefully by Christmas Day. And I think it has a broken horn. I think that's why they have it on eBay. Psych. I have 6 of these batteries. Except that this is the only one I'm using. Because I don't want to waste them all, you see. But yes, this detector itself is very rare. You can't really find a GC. They're very hard to find, and the interconnect has failed on this smoke alarm. It has failed. It will not work. If it was a single station, then it would be totally fine. But if it was multiple stations, then it would not be fine. But yeah, the horn still works. It just doesn't work well. Yeah. I will be getting a video of this when I have it hooked up to AC power, because I never have gotten it. That's it. Goodbye.